Now see the new concept, that is the center of gravity. We have already done center of mass. Now see what is center of gravity here. The center of gravity of a body is a point where the weight of body acts and total gravitational torque on the body is 0. See here, how can we determine the center of gravity? How can we guess it? Suppose you have taken a cardboard like this. In this cardboard, just to take a pencil and try to balance this cardboard with the help of the tip of the pencil. Suppose you are balancing the cardboard at this point and this is here the pencil. This point I am taking here the G. If the cardboard is balanced about this point, it means it's mg, that is a weight of this, and reaction is acting over here. Since this is in translational equilibrium, so we can write R is equal to mg. Now, here this is also in rotational equilibrium if it is balanced, because if it were not in rotational equilibrium, this cardboard will try to tilt to any other side. Suppose there are the two parts here, like one mass is here m1g and another particle I assume here m2g. It means the torque due to this m1g and torque due to this m2g particle, that is equal and opposite to each other, that is the net torque, these two m1g and m2g is equal to 0. So, we can discuss here about that total gravitational torque is 0. So, for that, suppose there is any ith particle whose position vector is Ri with respect to the center of gravity, with respect to this point. So, there is any ith particle whose position vector is Ri. So, we can write torque I is equal to here Ri cross here Mig vector. So, for here the rotational equilibrium we can write this is I is equal to 1 to n, torque I is equal to here, this is equal to 0 simply. That means, we can write I is equal to 1 to n Ri Mig vector is equal to 0. But we know g cannot be 0, g is a non-zero quantity here. So, what we can write here, that means I is equal to 1 to n Mi and Ri is equal to 0. If this condition is there, it means center of mass lies at the origin. As the Ri is the position vector with respect to the center of gravity, so we can say here the center of mass and center of gravity both coincides. But see here, if there is any extended body where g varies from part to part, then center of gravity does not coincide with the center of mass.